Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 ML400 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3-liter V6 pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Also comes with the lighting package, which is going to give you adaptive high beam assist and active curb illumination. We also got brushed aluminum running boards. On the inside we've got a black MBTEX, panel sunroof, come alongside ML400 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, trailer hitch. Come alongside. This one does come with a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, Braille walnut trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, Navi, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders. This ML400 has 73,867 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML400, check out feldmanimports.com.